Pagetify Shopify tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pagetify on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is an all-in-one e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores without needing advanced technical skills, in which it provides users with tools to design customizable websites, manage products, handle payments, track inventory, and process orders all in one place. And Shopify also supports integration with apps and third-party services to enhance functionality such as marketing, analytics, and shipping solutions. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the login button on the top right or start for free. And after that, all you need to do is to simply sign in your Shopify account. You will be directed in here on the homepage. After that, from here we can start by adding a product by clicking add product button. And after that, you simply fill out the record information, and that includes the name of the product, the image of this, the description. But from here, I'm going to start by uploading the image, which is this image of iPhone 17 Pro Max. And I'm going to enter the title iPhone 17 Pro Max. And we could also use the description a bit. We can use this AI to create a new description for us. Then click generate button to proceed. By doing so, it will automatically being detected all of our prompt. You can now insert it, and also the price. You can enter the price, the compared price, and even the cost per item to see the profit and margin of it. So as you can see, I'm just going to simply enter the random number of it. And below, you could also enter the inventory to track here. For instance, 99 items available. And below, it will show you some of the product weight. In here, example 0.6 as the product weight of the iPhone. And if you're now done, you can now click the save button below to save the changes. Now after successfully adding the product, we can now start by installing the application of Pagetify. And to do that, just simply go to the app or add button right here. And on this pop-up window, just click Shopify App Store. And now all you need to do from here is to simply wait for it to load. In this App Store, just go to the search bar and kindly search the Pagetify application, which are needed for us to use. By clicking Pagetify, it will show you the result below, so kindly click this install now. By doing so, you will automatically be directed again on this page where you could also click the install button to proceed. So click install once again to successfully install the Pagetify landing page builder, in which all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you in here on the left side panel that we can start creating a landing page, home pages, product pages, collection, and even blog posts. And also we can use to create using this blank page and also some of the templates given. All of these are available on home pages by doing the same thing or clicking the button. And also on product page, collection pages, blog posts in here, and many more. So in any of these options, let's say we're going to create a landing pages. You can click blank page to start from scratch, but I'm going to choose here this template. So for instance, this one, all you need to do is to simply enter the title of this template. For example, my landing page, and click create page button. And by doing so, you will automatically be directed on the next page or next tab, where you can simply customize this landing page template, starting today's context by simply highlighting this back to school. Instead of this, I'm going to enter, for example, back to work. Or alternatively, you could also change the style, including the font style, the font size. But by clicking the images in here, you could also choose your images from your computer files and choose depending on your preferences. For instance, I'm going to choose this one and click save. Once done, it will show you that we have now successfully replaced the images. And below here, if you scroll down, it will show us our product or the featured products that we just added recently. Under more, you could also fill out or simply customize some other details of a specific template that you selected in here. And if you also want to add some context, a heading, an image, you can do so by simply clicking on it. For example, this one, the images will be in here. By doing so, it will show you the images in here. You could also click pick to change it, or simply enter the image link in here. So you can simply customize everything that you see in here, including the elements of media files and the context. For the video, let's say we're going to add a video below here. As you can see, we have here now our video. You could also customize by entering the link of YouTube and many more. And even change the aspect ratio or dimension of it. You can enter HTML video, an icon, and even countdown. For example, I'm going to replace or place this one in here. As you can see, we have here days, hours, minutes, and seconds of the countdown. And you can customize the countdown on the left side panel depending on your preferences. In here, we have here daily, time, the date time, and many more. So you can simply choose here depending on your preferences, the layout, the size, the style of this kind of element. You have here the number and also the words, the decoration, the position of it, depending on your preferences as well. And also custom code if you want to enter some other info. So for instance, this newsletter will be added in here. We can change some of the field information that the customer or the viewers can simply fill out. Aside from that, you could also enter here or upload your social media, Instagram, Facebook, or Google Maps. But that depends on what kind of landing page are you creating in here. We have here also the link button, the kind of button, quantity, image, and many more. So overall, all of this are basically customizable on this page. And if you're now done filling out the required information to enter a banner, for example, in here, that you can simply customize by uploading your own by clicking the pick button on the left side panel to change it, and even adjust the dimension, width, height, and the alignment of it depending on your preferences. But moving on in here, let's say you're now done filling out the required information or customize your own landing page. To simply save it, just simply click on the top right corner, this one. However, by clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window that you need to enter your password. So just go to your Shopify and under online store, just click preferences. And in here, you should be able to see the password. So kindly copy this and paste directly in here and click apply password. By doing so, you should be able to see here that you have now successfully saved or simply apply the password successfully. So if you visit your online store on the left side panel, you should be able to see here under theme library the Pagetify assets, which is the template that we just customized. You can publish it or customize also in here. So basically using the Pagetify, it helps the store owners easily create and customize pages for their online shop without needing to code. And overall, that is just how you can use Pagetify on Shopify. Thank you.